So to file income tax returns, just you need to search e-filing. Click on here, and if you don't have account, please go to here and register the account. Account is mandatory for the filing of income tax return. Here you have to select taxpayer, and here you have to enter the PAN and validate it. It will ask some basic details such as date of birth, last name, first name. That's it. After creating, click on login. Now after logging in, if you come down, there will be an option to file your income tax return. File your return for the year ended on 31st March 2024. Here you have to click file now. For ITR 1 people, select online, continue. Here click on start new filing. Individual. Here you have to select the ITR. I am going with ITR 1 because there is only salary income and the bank interest, nothing else. Let's get started. See, here there will be an options, many options are there. Why we are filing the income tax return? So basically, first option you have to choose. Taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. Basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. Since we have more than 2,50,000 income, we are going to file the income tax return, and this is the best option to select. Then continue. Then click on OK. Here there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts will be there. First part is basically your information. Second part is total income. Third part is deductions from the total income. And fourth part is tax paid. And fifth part is a tax calculated. How much is your liability? So in the personal details, most of the details will be pre-filled. You don't need to check. Only you have to click this. Nature of employment will be there. Here you have to select others if you are a private employee. And you can ignore these sections and all. Here, this lady is filing under old scheme, so I'm clicking on yes. And here, most of the people has not uploaded their bank details here. Without any bank details, ITR return cannot be filed. So minimum you have to add one bank account. If it is not there, then you have to click on add bank account, and it will take some time to validate it. After that, confirm. See, the green symbol, the green tick means it is completed. This step is complete. Gross total income. Here you will be getting some options. You can click on continue without touching anything. Now you will land up in this page. Here it will show income from salary and deductions and income from house property and other incomes, and this is the total income. So here comes, we need to match here with our form 16. So form 16 I am opening. This is the form 16 part B. Okay, form 16 part B. In this we need to match the salary. Here it is given salary as per section 17(1) is 18,38,000. Same thing, we need to ensure whether it is there or not. 18,38,000 is there, then no issues. Next, come down. Here 158,000 is the deduction. House rent allowance under section 1013 is 58,000. These are all the deductions, second part. First part are all the salary component, second part are the deductions or allowances, you can say, exemptions. So here we need to enter 58,000. Generally in IT, in portal, automatically it will be reflecting. If it is not reflecting, then only we have to enter. See, here it is not reflecting. If you see exemption allowances part 2, there is 0 amount. Now we need to add that exemption. Click on this pencil icon, come down. Here country we need to here search for 1013A. Here allowances to meet the expenditure incurred for house rent, basically house rent allowance. Enter the amount. $58,204. And see, next any allowance is there, only up to under this less allowances cabin only 58,000 is there, so I can delete the rest items. And here under section 16, how much deductions, go to under section 16. This is the fourth part is under section 16 deductions. Standard deduction under 16A is 50,000. The same is auto populating already. And here 2,400 is there under 16.3, but here not reflecting. You need to add here 2,400. Save. Now see whether it is matching with form 16 or not. How much? 1727623. Here it is not matching because here it is not updated. Exempt allowances. Go and check why it is not updated. $58,204. Now it got updated. 1727623. 1727623. It is matching. See, it is matching with 1727623. So we are going on correct path. So this is the gross total income. See, gross total income is 1727623. Under salaries, this is the income. If you come here, suddenly you will be finding some more amount. This is basically auto populated from the income tax department information. Income tax department, like banks, has to provide interest, how much interest I paid to a certain person. That data has to provide it to the government. So that's why this 506 is the interest paid to this person. It is automatically populating. Income tax refund also he received last year, and along with the interest, that interest also, since income tax department is paying, they know that how much they have paid, so here they are adding that amount. These two are auto populated. You need not require to do anything, just accept that. Confirm. So this part is completed. Now come to deductions. Click on deductions. Same, go down. Skip these questions. Click on show all deductions. Here you will be able to see all the deductions. Now it is easy to map with form 16. Here the first deduction is 80C life insurance premium. Go to the form 16, you will be finding the same thing in the form 16 also, 80C. Here if you see 80C, match with the sections, it will be very easy. 80C how much? 1,47,560. You just come here, click here, click on add. How much? 1,47,560. Add. Check whether it is coming or not. 1,47,560. Amount eligible 1,47,560. Fine. Next amount is 80D. 80D some 24,805 is there. Come here, check for 80D. Here you can find this 80D. Add 80D, click on that. Now click here, yes. Under health insurance, here if your parents are senior and you are paying insurance for them, you have to select yes, otherwise you have to select no. Health insurance amount you have to enter 24,805. Now both are coming. 80C is coming, 80D is coming. Let's go down. The total deduction is 172365. This is some fine. And one more thing, interest on savings deposits up to 10,000 is exempt. So this guy has 2,203 rupees, I guess, as a interest. So that is exempted. Under 80 TTK, here you have to add the 203 rupees. Okay, that's it. Check whether deductions are matching or not. 172360517. At 203 I have added, so it is matching. Click on confirm. So next part is total deductions. Next part is total tax paid. So in this section, it will show how much tax is deposited by the PwC to your PAN, basically. So the details of tax deposited, the first component, if you see, details of tax deducted at source on salary income, it is showing 2,90,242. Show details, but for few employees sometimes it will show a wrong number. Then we need to change this wrong number to correct number. Now you may have doubt what is the correct number. So for correct number, PwC has given a part A and part B, two parts of form 16. You have to open the form 16. There will be two parts, part A and part B. Part A, if you open, it will the heading will be part A. Here it will be visible under form 16, part A. Basically this page shows how much tax is deposited under your PAN. Now if you thus see the table Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, here this is the salary paid and this is the tax deducted respective quarters. So total tax deducted is 2,90,242. So this is the correct amount that should be reflecting in the income tax. Most of the times the portal will show wrong amount. Then you have to manually click on this pencil icon. Select the box and click on this pencil icon and edit the tax deducted into 2,90,242. Then this section is completed. Confirm. That's it. Last section is just for namesake. You click here, just check everything is proper or not and confirm. After that, please cross check once again before filing. Then click on proceed. If you have some tax payment, then it will ask you to pay the tax. Only then you can file the return. If there is no tax, then it will show zero amount to be paid or zero amount to be refunded. If there is some refund, it will show the amount that this much amount will be refunded to your account. And here, instead of pay now, you will be able to see an option of preview, and if you click that preview, you will be directed to another page. There you will get an option to file the returns. That's it. Thank you.